Welcome back to another video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching us so far. We really appreciate it. This time we're out in the bush. We're exploring some of our local hinterland. We're lucky enough to have some family with some property out here. So yeah, we're just going to enjoy this beautiful little freshwater creek. This is us for the afternoon, and then we'll muck around on the property for a bit. We cut some trees down and just have fun exploring. So yeah, thanks everyone for watching, and hopefully you enjoy the video. Yeah. There's some sticks. So they're trying to clear a lot of trees off the property over here so they can build their new Airbnb, and Dad's trying to cut some trees down. And we're all sitting on the balcony just watching him have a go, and he reckons he's got it, but we're going to come give him a bit of a hand, I reckon. I might just film. I don't know if he needs my help. We'll see.
You need to push this away when you need to put it down. We'll put it down somewhere. No.
So we're hoping it's going to go straight down in front of us. Dad's going to cut the second notch, and I'll keep an eye out. Yeah, it's going. Yep, here she goes. Oh, run, Dad, run. Hey! That was sick. Hopefully there's no birdies nesting up the top of this one. Straight back into it. can feel so much heat. Alright, so we just left the property for the night. It was such a nice night there, so we just had some brekkie and now we're shooting off to a little local dam we're going to go check out and hopefully do a bit of fishing, and yeah, we'll see what we get up to. We just got up to the southern side of the Baroon Pocket Dam. I have fished at land base once before, and even though I don't think I caught anything, but I just had a quick little flick around the edges, and there's definitely some good bass and stuff in here, so I think I'm gonna run around the corner where it's tucked away from everyone. But yeah, see what happens. I'm gonna go rig up the fishing rod and yeah, hopefully get some fish. Oh, look at it, it's nice and clear. So I remember fishing this dam a few years ago, and because we're only land-based, we got no kayaks, not in a tinny or anything, so we pretty much got to walk the edges. And just over around the corner here, there's some sticks. So I think I'm gonna go for a bit of a scout, see if we can get back to those sticks, because I have lost fish there before. So yeah, we'll keep trekking. Just going to keep trekking up around this little bend here, because we're almost at that part I was talking about with all the big sticks. So I really want to get there because I feel like there's some decent fish hanging around those sticks. But yeah, almost there. Here we go, guys, look at this. This looks better. I've just hooked something decent, but it's bricked me around this. I haven't been filming, but I'll try pop the GoPro down. Oh no. Sometimes if you just give them some slack, let them free spool, they'll come out. Can you come here with that thing? I'm going in on the floaty. Hopefully I can. You are a cool fish, buddy. Yes. That was so epic, guys. So that pretty much made my day. Man, that was so sick. Big, that's probably, yeah, that's the biggest bass I've caught in a while. It would have been around 50 centimeters, but I got nothing to measure it on. So I'll measure my rod when I get back home. But yeah, whew, that little vibe worked. I'm glad I changed that little vibe, because I was just basically, look at that, he's bent the hooks pretty bad there too. Yeah, because I was just literally dragging that off the bottom. And yeah, that's pretty epic. That's pretty special. The big guy swam back nicely too, which is what we're all about. So yeah, happy days. We're gonna start trekking back now, and yeah, frothing. Yeah, thanks everyone so much for watching and supporting us. If you guys are liking watching us so far and you want to get a little sticker from us, I've got a few on their way. So yeah, if you stay tuned on our Instagram page and obviously our YouTube channel, and yeah, we'll be handing out a few when we get them in. So give us a comment if you want one, and yeah, we'd love to hear from you guys. All right, thanks heaps, guys.